和大象一样。以后
你也吃肉吧？吃那个东西，
它不是皮
咬不烂呀。
应该吃后背上的肉。
哎呀，给他拍了，你快给他拍吃。哎呦，
我觉得
吃快点，出阳眼了，等会儿。
这个是能吃的吗？我想问，那是光喝汤啊？
不是啊，
光喝汤，光喝汤。
是不是吃后背的肉啊？
But I don't know. I don't know if I can do this. I'm not. Woo! That looks like beef.
Ah, yes, sir.
You guys said it tastes like chicken.
No, chicken, sorry. It tastes small. It's better.
Oh! Woo, get away from the bat feet.
The concept of normal here may be very kind of butchering a little bit the bat. They keep most of the body intact.
And they burn it so that their skin, their fur is taken away.
I mean, the cuisine in this region is like nothing I've seen before.
So we have to get the fur off of the wing shirt.
That's so huge. How much does this one cost? You ever had bat? Like that, but over here they have boar.
Yeah.
All these animals, all this instead of beef, I guess there's bat meat. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little overwhelmed right now.
Okay.
I see there's a lot of different interesting stuff here. Let's keep moving. Yeah?
All right.
这种它是就是专吃水果的，所以刚才我们做的这个汤啊，味道真的是很鲜香，而且还有一股淡淡的水果味在里面。但是呢，这个蝙蝠你看，每一根毛都在这里哦，看上去像不像一个迷你版的小狼狗呢？听当地人说的话呢，这个蝙蝠就跟鸡肉一样，非常的坚韧，而且是大幅的。但是看到它这样子，我真的不知道该从哪里下手。而且后面还有毛，像鸡毛是吧？毛来，我们俩一人拽一个吧，撕开好了。非常多的营养都在里面，这是胶原蛋白嘛，白白的黑色胶原蛋白，口感很松味儿，很多糖，很多糖。哇，这个它的肉很紧，好恶心哦，恶心哦，肉质很紧，所以说。而且它刚才煲汤了嘛，所以肉就更紧了。哇，看来这味道怎么样呢？味道很香哎，真的很香。
看着我们此刻淡定吃蝙蝠的场景，有没有？